Hi, this is Dan Encell, Prudential California Realty. Today is Monday, July 23rd. Lots of information out there. We'll start with nationally. Mortgage rates continue to be at historic lows. 30-year fixed averaging under 4%, 15-year fixed averaging under 3%. So very, very cheap money if you qualify. On a national level, headline, June existing home prices rise again. Sales down with constricted supply. We're seeing them sort of move in opposite direction. We're seeing an absorption of the inventory, which is leading to an increase in prices, but the number of sales is declining largely because of lack of inventory on the supply side there. The number of sales nationwide down 5.4% compared to May, but up 4.5% compared to June of last year. So comparing a June to a June, it's up a little bit, but not quite as good as the previous month of May, which was a really robust month there. Home prices continue to rise nationally. The median price nationwide is $189,400, which is up almost 8% compared to a year ago. Distressed homes, that's foreclosures and short sales, those make up nationwide about 25% of all the sales that are taking place. That's down, it was 30% in June 2011, so a year ago. So it's definitely heading the right direction. We're starting to see that number shrink, which is what we need to see more long-term stability in the market. Okay, that's what's going on nationally. What's going on in California? California as a whole, June home sales down 1.8% compared to May. Same sort of constricted supply that we're seeing, but up 5.3% compared to June of 2011. So definitely better than last year. The median price rising, up 1.5% from May. It's up to $270,000, and it's up 8.3% compared to June of last year. So definitely seeing an increase in activity, number of sales, and prices there. We're also seeing an increase in number of transactions in the coastal areas, which is leading to an increase in the median prices there. Distressed properties, this is where it's not so great. In California last month, over 43% of the sales last month were distressed properties. So way higher, not quite double, but way higher than it is nationally, which is why California's taken a long time to come out of its economic slump there. Even though it's 43%, that's the lowest level it's been since January 2008, so the lowest level in 4.5 years. So again, bad news, but heading in the right direction. Okay, let's break it down to Southern California. There's a 6-county area that makes up Southern California. The median price for California whole right now is $274,000. For Southern California, it's $300,000. First time in a couple of years that it's been back up to $300,000. Sixth straight month that the number of sales in Southern California has risen compared to that same month a year ago. So again, heading in the right direction there for Southern California. Okay, lastly, what's happening in Montecito? Montecito, really good activity in the past week, very stable to improving market sort of trends here. Saw 10 new listings come on the market. That's fairly normal. 4 closed transactions. The largest of those was 1910 Jolinda, which we sold, which is good. And then 10 pending transactions. So if you have 10 new listings and basically between pending and sold 14 coming off the market, you're seeing absorption of inventory, which is what we need to see stabilization of prices. So overall, very positive news both nationally, California, Southern California, and Montecito. So that's our week.